In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 7th ed. APA title page in Microsoft Word 365. We'll begin by setting up the page according to APA 7th edition requirements. First, go to the Insert tab, then select Page Number. From the available options, choose the page number position at the top right-hand side of the page. Once the page number has been inserted, double-click in the gray area of the header to exit the page number area and return to the document. Next, you need to set the document to double spacing. Go to the Layout tab, then select the 3 dots for more options. From there, choose Paragraph Options. Make sure the spacing before is set to 0, and the spacing after is also set to 0. Then, open the Line Spacing drop-down menu and select Double. This will apply double spacing throughout the document. Once everything is set, click OK. Now, you need to center the text on your title page. Go to the Home tab and select the Text Alignment option. From the available choices, select Center Align. Your document is now ready for the information on the APA title page. First, press Enter twice. Because the document is double-spaced, this creates 2 blank double-spaced lines above the title. Next, click the Bold button and type the title of your assignment. For this example, the title is Fake Assignment APA Title Page. After typing the last letter of the title, press Enter twice. This creates 2 double-spaced blank lines beneath the title, as required. After that, click the Bold button again to turn off bold formatting. Now, type your name as it is listed for your class, then press Enter. On the next line, enter the course code and the name of the course you are currently taking. Make sure to include the course code and section number. The section number is important because it helps your instructor identify the class where you are submitting the assignment. After the section number, type a colon, followed by the name of the class. When you're finished, press Enter. Next, type your instructor's name and press Enter once more. Finally, enter the date you are submitting the assignment. Use the month, date, comma, and year format. Once all the required information has been added to your APA title page, you can move on to the second page. Go to the Insert tab and select Page Break. This will move your cursor to the second page. On the first line of the second page, enter the title of your assignment again, using the same title from your title page. Then, make sure the document is left aligned. Under the Home tab, open the Alignment options and select Align Left. Your second page is now ready for you to begin writing your assignment. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,